Okay, so here's this fanny pack. I really love it. I'm gonna show you the strap, how adjustable it is, just like the material, the inside. So first the strap, it's like super thick. It's really nice. I like that it has this little thing here that keeps this from just flopping around. But it's adjustable right here, and then it's also adjustable right here. So I can make it looser here or loose. So it's really awesome. And for somebody who's like mid-size like me, it's perfect. So it's got this pocket in the front. I usually put my phone in here. When it's on me, my phone's a little bit of a tight fit in this front pocket, but not enough to take off a star. And then here's like the main pocket. I keep like my wallet in here, my keys, and this is like one of my favorite parts. There's like this little clip you can attach your keys to. Got a passy in here for a toddler. Got a bouncy ball in here for a toddler. These are the things that end up in a mom's fanny pack. And then there's like an inside zipper pocket, which is where I keep like a pen and hand sanitizer and chapstick and stuff. And then this pocket was a bit of a surprise when I first got it. There's like this little pocket on the back. I keep, what do I keep in here? Oh, sunglasses. And also apparently a checkbook, because everybody needs a checkbook wherever they go. But I really, really love it. The zippers are really nice and easy, as you can see. Like they just glide right along, so I don't have time for sticky zippers. But yeah, I just wear it like this, and it just goes with me everywhere. It's always attached to me. I don't really take it off. But yeah, it's super nice. And like I said, my phone's a little bit tight in this pocket, depending on if I'm wearing it or not, and how much is in the main compartment. But overall, 5 out of 5 stars. Hope this helps.
You see, it looks very cheaply made because this strap, anytime you put it on you, when you turn it around to position it properly on your waist, it will always slide back. You have this flipping back, so you keep having to adjust this back and forth, back and forth. You can see how flimsy it is. It's just like a piece of paper. So it doesn't hold well, so it always keeps flapping back and forth. So for me, this fanny pack is a no.
Item looks good, but this buckle doesn't work. If you adjust it on your belly, it slides down easily. This is the proper buckle, and see, it doesn't move. This thing doesn't work.